The area of a circle. A circle is a set of points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point C, called the center of the circle. A circle is the set of boundary points. The center is not an element of the circle, but a reference point from which one can construct a circle. The radius is any straight line segment that is drawn from the center of the circle and ends at a point on the circle. So here, this is the radius. Here, the radius is 7 units long. Here, it's 5.5 units long. A chord is a line segment whose endpoints lie on a circle. So, AB, right? Both of the endpoints are on the circle. So it's a chord. A diameter is a special case of a chord. The longest chords are diameters. It goes right through the center of the circle. A radius is not a chord, since it starts at the center and has one endpoint on the circle. A diameter is any straight line segment that passes through the center of the circle and whose endpoints are on the circle. So here, the radius is 7 units, but the diameter is 14. Here, the diameter is 11 units. We use the measurements of diameters and radii to calculate other components of a circle. The radius is half the diameter of the circle. So if the diameter is here, the radius is just half of that. And therefore, the diameter is twice the radius of the circle. Diameter, once again, we're going to represent this with a lowercase d. It's any straight line segment that passes through the center of the circle and whose endpoints are on the circle. Radius, lowercase r, is any line segment drawn from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. So that would be this line here, AC. Note, the radius is 1/2 the diameter. The plural form of radius is radii. So line PQ is a diameter of circle C. AC, PC, and QC are all radii of circle C. The length of the circle's boundary, all the way around, is called the circumference C, capital C. The ratio of circumference C of a circle to its diameter D is the same number, regardless of the size of the circle. By definition, the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter is the irrational number pi, 3.14. The circumference of a circle can be determined by the following formulas. C equals pi times d, the diameter, or circumference equals 2 pi times r. And remember, d is equal to 2r, so that's why these are equivalent. The area of a circle is found by using the following formula. A equals pi r squared. To find the area of the circle, we're going to substitute the radius that we're given into the formula. A equals pi r squared. So we're going to plug that r in here in parentheses because it has to get squared. 7 centimeters squared becomes 49 square centimeters times pi. 3.14 times 49 is 153.86 with the units squared centimeters. Don't forget to label the units as squared units. You could be asked to leave your answer in terms of pi for the circumference or area of the circle. So if that were the case, just like before, you're going to have 7 centimeters squared, which becomes 49 square centimeters, times pi, and you're just going to leave it like that, 49 pi square centimeters.